We're at 8917 Austin Court, Portage, Michigan, Austin Lake. This is a 1,050-acre lake, all sports lake. Sellers tell me that the turtles come up here and lay eggs for their babies. This house is priced very generously at $239,900. And then one of the neighbors are waving hi. And I'm Melody Stirk with Keller Williams Real Estate. If you'd like to see this home, please call me at 269-492-7571. I'm with Keller Williams Real Estate. Thank you. We're on the inside of the house over on 8916 Austin Drive. This is a ranch walkout. Beautiful frontage on Austin Lake, which is an all-sports lake, 1,050 acres. All the appliances stay. We got newer cabinets in the kitchen, ceramic floors, hardwood floors in the living room. This is a sandy beach. You get all the sunsets. Isn't this a gorgeous living room? Look at the hardwood floors. Beautiful. This house has got 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. The master bedroom bath is waiting to be finished. Let's walk back to the bedrooms. Beautiful family room downstairs. It's one of the master bedrooms. Over here is the second bedroom, excuse me. Let's go downstairs to the walkout. It's got a bar downstairs. Nice family room that'll take you down to the walkout to the beach area. Hard-packed sandy beach over here. There's a hot tub. Look at this gorgeous area here. You've got a nice wet bar for family gatherings, friend gatherings. We'll go outside next. You get the sun rises over here. I'm Melody Stirk with Keller Williams Real Estate, 269-492-7571 if you'd like a showing. This house is priced very generously at $239,900.